This video will show you what is included inside the Lenovo Mirage VR S3 headset packaging and walk you through the initial setup process of the headset. The Lenovo Mirage VR S3 package contains the headset itself and a small accessories box. The accessories box contains the headset controller, 2 AAA batteries, a quick start guide, a microfiber cloth, a USB power adapter, and a USB-C to USB-A cable. Slide open the battery compartment on the back of the controller. Insert both batteries into the controller and slide the cover back into place. Release the headset straps by removing the plastic piece holding them together. Remove the protective plastic from the rear head pad. Remove the protective covers from the lenses inside the headset. Pull apart the closure tabs on either side of the headset. Place the headset on your face and pull the rear pad behind your head. Adjust the straps evenly for a tight, comfortable fit and secure the ends in place. Press the power button on the bottom right of the headset to turn it on. When prompted, press the home button on the controller to turn it on and connect it to the headset. Holding the home button down at any time will recenter the interface to your current viewpoint. The headset will remind you to have plenty of open space around you and not to walk around while wearing the headset. Use the controller like a laser pointer to click the continue button and agree to the safety agreement. The headset will now load into the main interface menu. Select the Wi-Fi signal icon in the top left to go into the Wi-Fi settings. Select your Wi-Fi network with internet access from the list of available networks. Enter the password and then click the return arrow button on the virtual keyboard. Then click the connect button. A green checkmark will appear next to the network name once you have connected. Click the exit button on the bottom of the settings menu twice or press the home button on the controller to go back to the main menu. For more information, watch our other videos about Lenovo VR Classroom 2 or visit support.lenovo.com/VR Classroom.